Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. This is the missing piece. So this is today's puzzle. This is what we got. We thought this would be a good one to start the channel off. It's the Squid Game themed Jigsaw, obviously from the TV show. And we picked this up as a bargain price actually, £8. Well, no, half price. It was £8. We got it for £4 in Boots. So clearly Christmas stock that they're getting rid of, because at the time of this recording, this is January. Okay, here we go. It's a different kind of puzzle, this actually, a round shape, so not your square jigsaw, and comes in this sort of presentation tin, which I think is quite nice. Got the Squid Game symbols on there. Paper bag as well, good for the environment. Let's have a look. It's only 250 pieces, so I'm guessing this is going to take me about, well, I think I should have this done in under 4 hours, I think. No, that sounds a long time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly put a timer on. So don't worry everyone, I'm not going to torture you and make you watch me do the whole thing in real time. We're going to speed this up and get the time lapse going. Well, we're an hour in here, and just thought I'd pause a little bit and just discuss this. This doesn't seem to connect here. Looks like there's a piece that I haven't seen yet that's going to fit in there, and this one, if you look at that, I don't know if you can see that. Looks like it's a straight edge, like an edge piece, but it's too flat. Don't think that's part of the circle. So this is harder than I thought. So I think this is going to take me a bit longer than I originally thought. But let's do another hour on it. I'll start the timer again. so we're about 1 hour 40 into the puzzle at the moment, and we've got a bit of progress, but we're starting to find it more and more difficult. So kind of built this sort of inner piece. I've got to try and get that into there. You can see like these smaller pieces make the centre of it. Quite interesting little centre piece there. You often see that on a regular jigsaw. But okay, I'll start the time lapse again, and we'll carry on. So we're about 2 hours 40 minutes, and I think it's coming together now. It's starting to take shape a bit. We've kind of done all the pattern now, so it's all kind of similar colour that's left. It's getting quite tough now. So let's do another hour on it, and we'll see how far we get. So that's it, complete. 3 hours 34. A bit less than I thought, so that's good. Quite happy with that. It's a pretty good puzzle. Thanks everyone for watching. That brings us to the end of the video, and as it turns out, this was quite a difficult puzzle. Some red herrings in there, some pieces that you think are edge pieces but they're actually pieces from the middle, so you know, well done to whoever created this puzzle. It's very difficult indeed. Give this maybe 4 out of 5 for difficulty rating. And it's a nice puzzle as well. Round, obviously, comes in that presentation tin. A lot of nice things about this. And don't forget, we got this for £4. £4, absolute bargain. So really pleased with it, and I'll be back soon. Hopefully I'll be able to make another video soon with another jigsaw. So look out again for the missing piece. I'm glad you found us on YouTube.